Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you need a computer for this one. Okay, open up your computer and then just go to find EaseUS. Okay, EaseUS MobiSaver. This one. Open it up. Click on MobiSaver for Android or iPhone. Okay, click on free download. You'll be able to see for iOS, for Mac, or whatever right here. So save it wherever you want. Save. Open up the installer. Now you can close the browser. Okay. Just wait for it to open. Install now. And wait for the download process to finish. And once that's installed, click on Start Now. And this one will pop up. So let's go ahead and click on Recover WhatsApp Data. Okay. Or WhatsApp Business Data. It's up to you. Click on it and click on Start. Make sure that your phone is connected via USB to your computer, okay? And you'll be able to see your phone right here. So just click on Start and wait for the process to finish. And it says here, please don't disconnect or operate your device during the scanning. Okay, it will open up your WhatsApp. Okay, just basically wait for the process to finish right here. It will take some time, so just be patient. And once that's done, you'll be able to see the counts of files, messages, photos, audio, or whatever in this section and the total size as well. So when this is done, you can double click or open up messages, photos, videos, and just click on restore. Okay, open up a file, hit on restore, and once done, you're good to go. And that's how you recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.